This is a 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Priority Chevy is located at 1495 South Military Highway in Chesapeake. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.